Hi students, today I come with a new video and I start a new series of solving a new question paper. Okay, so I take different model question paper or previous year question papers and we have to see the what type of questions is asked in science in the board examination from total 1 to 16 chapters. Okay, mixed study we have to be get here. So now without waste of time, so I solve one by one problem, the solution, question also there and the solution is also there. So in less time we have to be cover more questions. Okay, so here I not need to be more explain. Okay, already we have will learn more about that. So only a small point I have to be I explain here. So I not make long video and only 15-minute video. This is video only for 15 minutes. Up to 15 minutes, how much we cover? Okay, that much only we are solve here. Okay, in 15 minutes, right? So take first question, that is from carbonate compound. The question number 1 is write the molecular formula of the second and third member of homologous series where the first member is ethyne. Okay, come to question again, discuss on that question again. Solution: the molecular formula of the second and third member of homologous series where the first member is ethyne. Okay, so here's they say that write the second and third member of homologous series with first member is ethyne. So what is the molecular formula of ethyne? We have to be know. So ethyne molecule for ethyne means 2 carbon. Okay, meth means 1 carbon, eth means 2. Okay, prop means 3, but means 4, pent means 5. So there are different types of, you have to be remember that one table. Okay, so ethyne means what? First member is ethyne. Okay, very first member is ethyne means we have to write C2H2. Okay, now make the homologous series. So we know that what is the meaning of homologous series. The homologous series is said to be a series in which the successive difference between the each molecular formula is how much? There is CH2. Okay, so simply add CH2 this first member, you get second member, and add this to second member, you get third member. So solution is there. So second member of the alkyne series is that is here. First member is C2H5, adding of this 2 carbon plus 3 plus 1 3 carbon, hydrogen 2 total 4 hydrogen. Okay, 4 hydrogen. Okay, that is some structure formula is there, not required, you have to write this only. Okay, so 4 2 to 4. Next by adding this to this third one propyne, so what happened? 3 carbon 1 4 carbon and like 4 plus 2 6. So that is what is next member of homologous series. So it is very simple basic question which is asked in the examination, so practice it. Okay, take different types of members: ethyne, methane, propane, butane, or okay, pentane, alkane family, alkyne or alkene family. Practice this. Okay, next this is for 1 mark. Okay, come to next question. Question number second. Why is the variation important for a species? So that is one from hereditary evolution. So that is we already know why variation is important. Variation is important for survival advantage. That is important for your direct answer is there. Why is variation important for species? Variations are important for species for the survival advantage. Okay, if they survive in the nature means they have to be want variation. So answer is variation increases chance of survival of species in constantly changing environmental. So this is answer. You also write shortcut at the variation is important for species to maintain or to survive itself into the atmosphere or environment or fight against the environment factor changing factors. Okay, they can adjust them. Okay, they are survive them against the changing environmental factors. So that is why variations are very important. So final answer is what? Why variations are important? Variations are important for the species to get a chance of survival against the changing environmental factors. Okay, next one, come to third one, and that is question is very important. Second one, write down it in your notebook. Then come to the next question number 3. In the following food chain, 20,000 joules of energy was available to the plant. How much energy would be available to the man in this chain? Simple, apply 10% law. Okay, so plant having how much? 20,000. So sheep how much having? 10% decrease means 10 decrease, we get 2,000. Then man means again 10, we get what? How much? We get actually 200. Answer is there, some mistake is there, it is answer 200. Okay, so here for food chain available for to the plants. For plants how much? 2,000. Okay, 10% reduce means 20,000 means 2,000 for this, and again it is 200 for human being. Okay, that is 200. Answer is actually 200 joule. Okay, that is mistake is there. So right answer how much? That is 200 joule is available for the man. So come to next question number 3. Question number 4. An object is placed at a distance of 15 cm from a concave lens of focal length 30 cm. List 4 characteristics, nature, position, etc. of the image formed by the lens. Simple question is there. Okay, here what given? Position of image u given. So u is minus 15 we taken. Why? Because of it is on left side. Then concave mirror is given. Concave mirror is means focal length is negative. So focal length directly given. So what is focal length? Focal length 30. So because of the concave we have take minus 30. And now find the nature. Position means you find the v, and nature means you have to find the erected, virtual or real or invert. You have to be discuss all that. Okay, so now write the question. So lens means you have formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus, that is important. For lens it is minus, for mirror it is plus, so minus. Then put the values. Okay, rearrange the equation. 1 by f plus 1 by v, u is equal to 1 by v. So put the values, take LCM. So you get answer v is equal to minus 10. So v is equal to minus 10 is the position. So we get the position. So negative sign of the image shows that the size is formed on the left side of the concave. Okay, if plus means right side, if negative means left side is formed. So left side means what is the nature? The nature is virtual and erected. Okay, means way the same side of the object. The object is present on left side, the image also form on the left side. So object how much? Object is always, in that case, object is always erected and virtual. So that is what nature of the position is minus 10 cm left side, and nature is what? The nature is erected and virtual. Okay, and on the same side of the object. Okay, next come to this question for 2 marks. Okay, 1 mark for the solution and for 1 mark for the your nature and position. Next come to the question number 5. That is very important. You being a environmentalist are interested in contributing towards the conservation of natural resources. List 4 activities that you can be do on your own. Okay, means you have to be environmentalist, you have to be make the environment pollution free. So what habit you have to be done? Positive here, positive you have to put right the points. Okay, so environment means what? You have love the environment, you have to be aim to make the environmental clean. So what activities you have to bring? So you have to make, so many activities are there. Use less fuel, use less pollutant fuels, do not use the plastic, use recycled items, use paper bags. Okay, use less transportation, use public transportation. So different types of general question is there. Okay, so you have to write use less water, avoid the wastage of water, so wastage of food. So all this common question answer you have to write any 4 points. Okay, because of 2 marks means you have to write 4 points. For 1 point it is half marks. So here answer is given 4. So it is also easy, or other than that you also be right. So first one is using public transport for communicating instead of using personal vehicles. Okay, use public transport. If you have to go anywhere means use public transport. Do not take car of your own. If you are only single person, so use of car is means somewhat not suitable. Okay, for one person you are not need to use the car. Okay, if more person are there, use the car. If for single person use the car is not suitable for the environment. So that case use public transports. Okay, and avoid the using cloths, accessories or articles made up of animal skin. So do not use these cloths, accessories and articles made up of animal skin and also plastics. Okay, animal skin, what happen? Animals means, and if we kill the animals means it disturb the biodiversity of the nature. Okay, and the forest biodiversity is disturbed. So that is why not kill the animals. Okay, not use such article which is made up of animals, and not also use such article which is made up of plastics. Okay, which is non-biodegradable element. Using energy efficient electric appliances to save the electricity. So use such engine, such bulb, such tube lights which consume less electricity and give more power. So that is very important. Then ensuring to no leakage of water taps and pipes at the home. So ensure that the which tap or pipe is there, that is there will be no leakage. If the leakage means waste of water, so that repair that leakages. So that is what some 4 activities. Other than more activities are there, you have write any other also. So that is make you environmentalist, and that is good for conservation of nature. So that is next question, question number 6. Here, why are coal and petroleum categorized as natural resources? Give a reason so to why they should be used judiciously. So very important common question we also discuss in the class. So what is the why we say the natural resources? Because coal and petroleum are be formed by the natural process. That is the natural resources. Okay, coal and petroleum are be formed by the natural resources. So for this answer, next, give reasons to be why they should be used judiciously. Okay, why? Because they have been formed by the degradation of dead plants and animals, biogas, buried and deep in the earth several millions years ago. It is taken a millions of years for the formation of these fossil fuels, and present rate of the consumption of fossil fuels are exceed the rate at which they are formed. Okay, so what is happened here? These natural resources we call petroleum, coal, they are formed by the nature, but not in 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month or 1 year. It takes millions of years, 10 millions, 200 million, 300 millions of years taken, and millions of years taken we get the fuel, and that fuel if we waste it means that is not be that is what somehow not profit for us. Okay, that will create an problem for us. So that is millions of years these fossil fuels are get, and present rate of consumption is more and production is less. That is big problem. The consumption is 200 liter means the production is 100 liter. So production is less, so production is less, and our usage is more. Okay, consumption is more. In that case we have to use it judiciously. So that is your point here. What you had, the fossil fuels are be formed by the nature. We take millions of years to formation of the fossil fuels. The fossil fuel consumptions are more than the more than that of the production of the fuels. So if it exhausted, their resource not be available for use of future. Okay, if they are exhausted, if petrol is exhausted, it not recycled. Okay, if it is used means it is not it is exhausted, so it is exhausted in nature and it not be used further. So that is why they have to be used judiciously, carefully. Judiciously means carefully. So you have to write these answers. Okay, simple one. Okay, and read again one time, you can be clear it. So next come to question number 7, and very important. Okay, and so many times we have discussed about it, and so many times we saw on our test. So very important, 7th one is distinguish between esterification and saponification reaction with help of the chemical equations for each. State one use of ester and one use of saponification process. Simple one. Ester used in perfumes, saponification process used in the preparation of soap. That is enough, that is covered. Okay, everyone write it. But now here distinguish between saponification and esterification. Simple, no issue is there. Simple, put like the table. Okay, simple, put like the table. And esterification and saponification, one side of esterification, one side saponification. Write some words and then write the chemical equation. Enough for you. Okay, already we read it. Okay, saponification reaction, esterification reaction. Only explain or represent that answer in the form of table in case of differentiation. Okay, very simple answer. In the textbook it is available. Okay, again here uses of ester is for perfume, cosmetic, paints. Okay, all is there. The use of saponification reaction is all use the preparation of soaps. That is important. For it is for 3 marks. Okay, 2 marks for this and 1 mark for this. Then come to next one is here. Okay, question number 8. Okay, now left only 2 minutes is there. This is the last question for today video. Write the structure formula of the ethanol. What happened when it heated with excess of concentration of H2SO4 at the 440 Kelvin? Write the chemical equation for reaction stating the role of H2SO4 in these reactions. Okay, first you have to write the what is the ethanol formula. So we know that eth means 2 carbon, so I have 2 carbon. Okay, here 1 carbon is used for here, 1 bond is used here, means one bond is here, 1 bond to 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen they write here, 2 hydrogens. Okay, this also we write in the form of like this. I show you how you write this again. This is directly they write, but I show again another form you have to be write it, that is in this form. Okay, here see, here I write it, maybe in this form we write ethanol. Okay, we know that what is ethanol, 2 carbon, so I write 2 carbon, and ethanol means yeah, alcohol is a functional group, so remove 1 hydrogen and put 1 alcohol here. So 1 carbon, total 4 bond, 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. So that is what the ethanol molecule formula. Okay, this type of methanol, butanol, okay, other aldehyde, ketones you have to practice. Okay, that is one type of example I given here. Okay, this is, so this is here 3 hydrogen for this 2 hydrogen, and 1 is hydrogen replaced by the alcohol. So that is what ethanol formula. So next write the structural formula for ethanol. So write ethanol. So what molecular formula is what? If they say write the molecular formula for ethanol, So in that case we have to write this one. So that is molecular formula of ethanol. Okay, if they form structural formula means write this one. If they have molecular formula means write this one, C2H5OH. Correct? There are total 5 hydrogen, 1 2 3 4 5 hydrogen, 2 carbon and 1 OH. So that is molecular formula and this is the structural formula. Okay, I come to next point. So next is what happen when it is heated with the excess of concentration in H2SO4. So we have that already in textbooks, the reaction of ethanol with the unsaturated with saturated means, okay, to get saturated hydrocarbon. One question is there, one title is there in the carbonates compounds, reaction of the ethanol with the H2SO4 to form unsaturated hydrocarbon. So here, so what happen when it is reacts with ethanol? What H2SO4 reacts with ethanol means you have to write the reaction. Ethanol reacts with H2SO4 at 170 degrees Celsius. They form unsaturated hydrocarbons. Oh sorry, here is a H2O. Okay, here is a H2O. Here O is present. Sorry, the O is not there here. So mistake, print mistake. So O is there. So I read it. C2H5OH is the ethanol. Concentration H2SO4 170 degrees Celsius. So the C2H5U double bond C2H5U plus H2O. Okay, the H2O. So now this over. Now H2SO4 in this reaction is, okay, the stating the role of constant H2O for this reaction. So what happened? From this H2 is liberated, means dehydrating agent. Okay, in this reaction water is present. After the reaction the H2SO4 remove this H2O from this reaction, means what? The role of the concentrated H2SO4 in the above reaction is that is used as a dehydrating agent. It is used as a dehydrating agent and cause dehydration of ethanol. So what is the role of H2SO4? Dehydrating agent. So students, so this is 8 question for today class. So I hope this is very important for examination and that is helpful for you. Okay, so practice this one time. Okay, thank you. Then next video we have to take another question number 9 in next video. Again next video is for 15 minutes. Okay, thank you for watching.